the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a tarsier. Tarsiers are like the tiny, wide-eyed acrobats of the tropical rainforests. They have big eyes and long fingers for grasping branches. Tarsiers can leap great distances and have excellent night vision. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a ferret. Ferrets are like the playful, curious explorers of the small animal world. They have a long, slender body and a furry face. Ferrets are known for their mischievous nature and love to play and hide. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is an Arctic fox. Arctic foxes are like the fluffy, winter adventurers of the far north. They have thick, white fur to blend into snowy landscapes and keep warm in the cold. These clever animals change the color of their fur with the seasons. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a dik-dik. Dik-diks are like the miniature, graceful antelopes of Africa. They have a small frame, large eyes, and tiny horns. Dik-diks are excellent runners and are known for their delicate appearance. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a vulture. Vultures are like the efficient, scavenging cleanup crew of the animal kingdom. They have bald heads and strong beaks for tearing into carrion. Vultures play an important role in maintaining the balance of nature by recycling dead animals. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a gharial. Gharials are like the prehistoric-looking, long-snouted swimmers of the rivers in India. They have a distinctive, narrow snout filled with sharp teeth. Gharials are expert fish hunters and are endangered, so conservation efforts are crucial to protect them.
Hi friends, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell to see more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.